Hello and welcome to Resinandwireful. Today I'm going to glue some bails on the back of these resin pieces. We are going to use this Araldite Epoxy resin glue. And we just glue a bezel on the back of the resin piece as shown here. You must always wear gloves for this as it is an epoxy resin, and if you're dealing with any type of chemicals, it's always best to have protection. I also use a chopstick, as I find that's really easy to mix with. So get equal parts of the tubes. I just put a tiny amount on here. You can always mix some more up after. It sort of depends on what your project is really. Mix it up with your stick or chopstick here, in my case. Mix it all really well, make sure it's all mixed in super well. Now get a tiny bit on the back of your bail, which we will do in a minute. So there's just a tiny little bit there. Get your bail, put a tiny bit on. You don't want to put too much on because you don't want overspill and it to go everywhere. So put a little bit on here. It's super easy. It can get quite sticky and your gloves can stick to it, so sometimes I have to change my gloves halfway through a project, which can be quite annoying. Put it in your hand and just get it in the middle, gently glue it on. You don't even really have to press it on. This is best to leave it for a minimum of 24 hours to make sure it's set. After a couple of hours after it starts drying, I go back and make sure that all the bails are straight. So we do the next piece now, exactly the same. Get a little bit of epoxy resin glue and get your bail. Put a tiny bit on there on the back of the bail. It's super easy. And the pendants you can see here will be available in my shop from next week. They're super easy to do, and I will make another video about that. There you go, there's some more here. Flip it over. It's so easy. Anyway, as you can see here, I've done it all. Now the last piece, which is this beautiful heart. Well, this has got a gold bezel on it to match the gold glittery heart. Again, put a little bit on the back of the bezel, back of the bail, and that's it. Couldn't be easier. Stick it on the back of the glitter heart. There we go. Don't forget to subscribe to me, and also have a look at my Etsy shop, as all these items you see will be available. Make sure it's straight on there. You don't want it wonky, and then you end up having a wonky necklace. And there you go. Couldn't be easier. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.